Are you looking for the best fingerprint door locks in your budget? Well, in today's video we break down the top 5 best fingerprint door locks that are available on the market. I made this list based on their price, quality, durability and more. To find out more information about this product, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. At number 5, HARFO Fingerprint and Touchscreen Door Lock. This door lock comes with a deadbolt button. Hence, the lock simply grants access to admin users. Moreover, the touch-sensitive OLED screen offers a passcode, keyless entry. You can mount this lock against the doors up to 55 mm in thickness. The keyless door lock records the access of 300 users. The advanced fingerprint identification accepts the fingerprints of kids and senior people. The voice guide of this lock also supports smart talkback action. The fingerprint recognition system of this lock is more or less accurate. This locking mechanism consists of a smart lever. You can install this fingerprint door lock against the left and right-handed doors. At number 4, Ultraloq Ubolt Pro Smart Lock. The dual data encryption never lets any trespasser forcefully open the lock. The fingerprint door lock also offers 6 different ways to open your door. You never have to use any physical key to unlock this lock. Moreover, the automatic locking or unlocking programs keep your door locked every time. Hence, you will not have to lock the door manually. The lock also consists of an anti-peep keypad function. Therefore, you can freely type wrong pins in front of strangers. Nevertheless, you will have to enter one set of passcode right for entry. This lock comes with a mechanical key for emergency entry. At number 3, Ultraloq Fingerprint Door Lock. The electronic door lock runs on 3Ah batteries. However, the battery-operated model with batteries can offer 8,000 times of access. You will need an optional deadbolt cover plate to replace the existing deadbolts. Moreover, this door lock for fingerprints comes with a reversible lever. Therefore, this deadbolt lock also works with left and right-handed doors. The door lock also supports the simple DIY installation. Furthermore, the deadbolt lock resists water and dustproof. This keyless door entry with a keypad fits the 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 inch thick doors. The door lock comes with biometric fingerprint ID registration. Nevertheless, this locking system retains up to 95 fingerprints for residents and visitors. At number 2, eufy Security Smart Lock. The simple fingerprint door lock has a complication-free keypad locking system. This lock also supports in-app data collection. Therefore, you can keep your lock passcodes and fingerprints only to you. Moreover, the inbuilt sensor takes only about 0.3 seconds for recognizing fingerprints. Hence, this lock supports quick door locking and unlocking. This lock also offers 4-way, keyless door accessing. Furthermore, the lock has the construction of weatherproof material. This model works within the temperature range of -22 to 58 degrees Fahrenheit. The Bluetooth module keeps this lock connected to smartphones via a supportive application. However, you can remotely permit access to your house via smartphone. At number 1, WeJupit Smart Fingerprint Door Lock. This biometric digital door lock works with right-handed doors. The lock lets you use a backup key in case of power failure. Moreover, you will need to use 4 pieces of AA batteries. The shell has the construction of weatherproof, cold-resistant stainless steel material. The automatic relocking system never lets the door open after leaving. The 2-people combination mode also increases the practicality of this system. Furthermore, you can use this mechanism to store up to 2,000 fingerprints. The anti-peep passcode system never lets strangers know your passcode. The moisture-proof lock works finely in wet locations. This lock has a semiconductor fingerprint sensor. Therefore, this model precisely records the fingerprints of children or senior people. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe.